What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all have been well. Today, we're talking about recentering your caliper. Now, as you guys know, I just posted my brake pad, brake rotor replacement with the brake fluid flush, all that stuff, and I removed the caliper, obviously, to remove the rotor. But apparently that is not the preferred, or yeah, I would say the preferred method of removing the caliper. So the preferred method of removing the caliper, and I'll show you right now, is to remove these two bolts. This one right here, that one down there. So those are the two bolts you're going to be removing to remove this entire bracket with the caliper still on it, okay? So the thing is, you do not want to remove these, even though it looks like they're there to, you know, they're obviously there to be removed. Like, you can do this. But the preferred method is to do it with the bracket and have the caliper still on the bracket while you're doing that, because what happens is when you remove these two bolts, it will kind of uncenter the brake pads themselves. And as you can kind of see on the rotor, I want to say that this is from them not being properly centered anymore, because you can't really tell too well, but obviously you see this little line coming from the slot, but this right here, and there's like a little bit of offsetedness right here. So I'm thinking that the caliper is obviously not centered correctly, which is not, because we need to do the recentering procedure for if you remove these two bolts. So I'm going to be walking through with you guys the exact steps for doing this really quick. And as I'm going through this, I will have the picture of the procedure on screen, probably where my left hand is right now. But the procedure is actually coming from a stud replacement guide from the Toyota GRC manual. I don't know how these people are getting these manuals. There needs to be some sort of like open source thing or something. We just find this shit off of Reddit. But anyways, so my buddy sent me this, and it's going to be displayed here as I'm walking you through the steps. It's going to be substantially easier than you think. You're just going to need two people, so yourself and somebody inside to press on the brake pedal. Now, to recenter the caliper, if you remove the caliper from these two bolts, then you're going to want to either, well, if you're still in the process of putting them back on and you haven't fully torqued them, just leave them untorqued, leave them pretty much hand tight. Or if you've already tightened them and torqued them down, go ahead and brake torque and make sure that these are loose enough to be able to kind of move the caliper. And what you're gonna wanna do is have somebody go into the car, turn on the car, press on the brake pedal fully, keep it depressed, and then what you're gonna do is torque the top bolt first to 22 foot-pounds, then torque the bottom bolt to 22 foot-pounds, and then come back up and torque the top bolt down to 74 foot-pounds. Then you're gonna come back down to the bottom bolt and torque that down to 74 foot-pounds, and then you're good. That's it. That's the centering procedure. All right, go ahead and press it. Okay, so 22 foot-pounds, top first. Then the bottom. Top again. Bottom again. All right, release it. So after you're done doing the procedure, go ahead and recheck the torque to 74 foot-pounds all around. Obviously, you would want to do as many as you can at once. I already did all four, and it seems like everything went okay. We'll have to see how everything goes on the road. Hopefully, it solves this thing. I don't understand why it's just so prevalent right there. Maybe it's just dust coming from the slot as well as the centering not being done at first. Because if you look, you can kind of see it's a little bit different up here than it is the rest of the rotor. So hopefully this solves that. And other than that, I hope you guys got some good use out of this video. And if you did, please leave a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you guys don't miss out on new content coming to this channel here soon. And until next time, guys, keep going fast.